G'day! Today we are unboxing the all-new Weber Q. Of course, the Q is still available in a range of sizes. A compact baby Q, a middle-sized Q, the brand new Q Plus, and the larger family Q Plus models. So, are you curious to see what's in the box? First is the lid. It's cast aluminium, so it's light and built to last. Plus, this premium version has got a built-in temperature gauge. That's convenient. Here's the front access removable drip tray. That's going to make cleanups easy. And just look at all this extra space. Underneath these handy side tables is the cookbox with its beautiful stainless steel burner. At the bottom of the box are your enameled grills. Super easy to clean. Plus, these new Weber Qs are now even easier to assemble than ever before. Okay, so who's hungry? If you'd like to see more, head down to your local Weber store and feed your curiosity.